Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanish. Today I will be making chicken stew. Please come cook with me, guys. Alright guys, my red bean, nice and wash. I may have some water in there. I'm just gonna pour that right in there. And yeah, the water they look good. Now watch me. Next step. Alright, water gone in. What is garlic? And then your salt. And that's it, guys. You're gonna just make that cook. So from the crock pot, you're going to press bean. And 32 minutes, lock your pot. And make that cook. And if you don't want to the next step, keep watching. Alright, people. So, me being a cook, I'm gonna have some chicken breast right there, so some chicken thigh right there, so I'm gonna just cut out them there, you know, fine pieces. Just so go cut them up in a tiny pieces. My little bowl, whatever you call this, I'm gonna just put them in there. Yes, I'm going to season that up. First thing first, black pepper, and this is going to be like a spicy bean. Complete seasoning. Some all-purpose and some jerk seasoning, my favorite. This has been some whole heap of spice. I'm gonna just mix that in. Two peg of garlic. Hot pepper. This is my favorite thing in the world when I cook hot pepper. Jesus. Just have to cover that up and make it marinate while I prepare my rest of seasoning and ingredient. And I have some seasoning ready to cut up. Good. Good. Right. And if you don't notice, a new member join the party, and that's Carrot. So now I have me chicken season up and I marinate. I have my seasoning. I'm just wait for my peas to done cook. But in the meantime, guys, please subscribe. Alright guys, my peas cook, and from the look of it, from just the look, you can tell say it cook. Wow. Alright guys, my bean cook. I have all of my ingredients them and everything ready. So now time to put that together. Turn on stove on high. Cause pot not hot. So you want pot to hot, so you go turn up the stove right now. Alright, pot kinda hot. The way the bean them nice by themselves, just eat them out so. Anyways, get my olive oil, put that in there. Then you just have to put in everybody. Everybody are going my carrot, my onion, ginger, not ginger, garlic, and my hot pepper. You don't want a ginger for this, guys. Alright, and you hear that little sizzle there? Chisel my nizzle. Alright. Let that saute for a while. Smell good. Turn down the stove now. Time to turn it down. You know, why not burn? Alright. Alright. We have another special ingredient, guys. I'm going to add to this, but not now. Then, remember that chicken here? Just dump it in the people. And you know, chicken breast don't take long to cook. And then, make your chicken cook with all the flavor. So when you take a bite in the chicken, it just tastes so good because it cook with all of this flavor and seasoning and spice and everybody. Right, so I'm just going to load that now and make it cook while I gather the next ingredient with the going at it. Alright guys, you go. Flip that. Once you see the chicken breast then turn white, you just flip until everybody turn white. Flip it around, make everybody change color. And trust me people, and that's how I see my mother make it. This is not how I see my mother make it. I make up this by myself and it's more delicious because when you saute your seasoning them, at that time the flavor come out. And I learned that by myself. This tastes good. I mean not taste it yet, I just have make you know. Something I make all the time, and when I make this, everybody love it and want more. Right, I'm gonna show you now why I pot look. And that's it guys. Chicken breast, 2 little piece of chicken thigh, and it just gonna make it simmer. And I'm gonna just go and wait till everything where you see red like this were red, you want it white like this. Yeah. And then sure know what next move. Guys, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell there. You don't know. Alright guys, you don't notice how it look different. If you never know, it smell good. And if you don't notice, my seasoning them don't burn. So that juice where it spring out, I'm gonna make little of that juice to draw down a little bit. And then I had my special ingredients. Alright guys, see what I'm going to so. As you can see, no whole heap of juice now in here so. So my special ingredients we may add to this is my coconut milk. Jesus, smell good. Add my coconut milk to that and just mix that in. And I'm going to make my coconut milk cook for about 1 hour. And then I add my beer. Smell good, you know, see? Pan low heat, you don't want nothing burn. God, that smells so good. So good, man. You know, so that can eat right now. Can throw that over some rice or pasta and just eat that same way so. Right now, I don't feel like we do nothing else. We smell good, I just want to eat it right now. Oh, God. Alright? Main ingredient, my bean. Alright? I don't know what my pot look like. I don't know what it look like already. But me I tell you it smells good. So I'm going to grab my bean. Grab the pot with low and towel. Ah, Jesus. We are ready for eat and the food not done it. Alright, my bean, I'm going to just throw my bean in there. I'm going to shake everybody. I'm not going to see that pot. Alright guys, I'm showing you what going in the pot. This smells so good, looks so good. I never know what to call this. Stew peas. Stew rundown chicken stew bean. I don't know what to call it. But right now this look good. And my mouth just a run water. Jesus, I'll make it cook and then I add another ingredient. Okay people, I have some flour. Put a little salt in there. I'm gonna knead it. And then I'm gonna make a thing called spinach. In Jamaica we call it spinach. Not to be mistaken with the bush, the green spinach, but as you can see, this is a flour. So I'm gonna make spinach, guys. Alright guys, I make my spinach dough. And all what spinach is like dumpling. Jamaican dumpling. So this is the dough for the spinach. So I'm gonna just make spinach now with the dough. Alright. I have my dough. Show me what I want. Dough. Open up my pot. Make sure I stir it up and make sure say everything good. Deeper. Taste your pot. Alright. Then you want to look like this. And just do something just like that. That's it. And just drop it in there. Drop it in there. I'm spinach in the pot. I'm going to just cover it up just like that and make it spinach them hard up little. Then I stir it up. Alright guys, spinach them hard up now, so I just go mix that in together. Jesus, that look good. Mix that in together. Ooh, that looks so delicious. That looks so delicious. I know what it tastes like, you know, but I'm going to taste it again because I just want to eat out the food. Tastes so good, guys. Give me a thumbs up and try this delicious recipe. I can't go wrong. Hey people. So do you think me done? No. I got hard 2 wall of pepper. My time. I don't realize it. It's not done. It look like it done, kind of look delicious, but it's not done. Then got some butter. Yes, ma'am. I'm just going to turn my fire down on low heat. Low. And just make it take time simmer. Because I'm going to cook some ginger, turmeric rice. I'm going to brown stew some chicken. Put that there. Now I'm going to record. I'll do that another time. That is very nice. That is nice. That's a nice meal right here. If you watch your weight, you can have this. And just put them in one little cover up plate and put them in the fridge. This is breakfast, lunch and dinner right there, so. And supper and snacks. It's so nice and delicious. I can't wait to have this. Alright, cover up, let you go and cook. Alright guys, my peas stew done. Just gonna make it go and chill from the stove. So you know other things in a pot are cook. Oh god, it look good here. Wow.